Now let's talk about the various terms used in the market and how they are different than each other. The first one is artificial intelligence, which is ability of a machine to intimate intelligence human behavior. So in simple terms, we will train a machine to act and behave like humans. The good example for that is Amazon Alexa, Google Voice Assistant, and Apple Siri. We can interact with them like humans. For example, if you ask a question, it will respond to you like a human. Here, if we ask them, how is the weather? They will give us the details about the weather today. And we can ask them any questions and they will respond. Next is machine learning, which is the subset of artificial intelligence. And machine learning learn from vast amount of data and from structured as well as unstructured data, and it will predict the future. Good example could be self-driving cars and cybersecurity. And one thing to note here, if we give machine learning model more and more data, it will become more accurate. Next is deep learning, which is a subset of machine learning. And the main differences between machine learning and deep learning is the amount of data required for training. For deep learning, we need huge amount of data, and it uses something called neural networks, which is a method in AI that teaches computer to process data in a way that is inspired by human brain. So that is deep learning, and good example for deep learning is speech recognition. The last but not least is generative AI, which is a subset of deep learning. And here it focuses on generating the new content. The good example for that is ChatGPT or Amazon Code Whisper. And I will give example of Code Whisper. Let's say you as a developer, you want to generate SQL code, Python code, or Java code. So if you open code Amazon Code Whisper and start typing your logic in English, plain English, it will generate a sample code for you. And again, this will be starting point. You can tweak that, make more modification, and generate your whole code. So that is example of generative AI.